To find and manage display settings on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, just start by opening settings. And right now you will have to scroll down in the main settings page and open display. As you can see right here, we can find a lot of things. First of all, we can find light and the dark mode, but also some dark mode settings, like we can turn it on as scheduled, so for a specific time, for example. Then we can change brightness level and turn on and off automatic brightness. We can also find motion smoothness, so we can get 90 Hz or 60 Hz refresh rate. There's also blue light filter and the screen mode, so we can make colors to look a little bit different. You can change white balance, but also you can set vividness just right here. And below we can find font size and style. In this place we can find screen size, so we can make our UI bigger or smaller. And we can change aspect ratio for specific apps, just right here. In this place we can change the screen timeout and turn on screen on while viewing. There's also option to turn on and off the edge panel to get quick access into some shortcuts, apps, contacts, whatever. You can also add or remove the taskbar, and we are able to change the navigation method and use circle to search, assistant application. We can just get simple back button if you want. And in this place, if you input the screen protections, you can even increase the touch sensitivity. And on the bottom, we can find the simple screensaver.